Meaning of algebraic fraction, we have an algebraic quantity with combination of number both together in numerator or denominator, does not matter, but we have to have both algebraic value with a combination of number. That's what we need. Now I'll use an example. 2a over 5 plus a over 5. These are the two fractions. Look at this. Both in the both numerators we have algebraic quantities, in the denominators we have numericals. Since the numericals are same, you should recall the knowledge about how to add the fractions. While you are adding the fractions, the denominator should be same. If not, you should make them as equal. Thereafter only we can do the addition between the fractions. Since the denominators are same in this case, in your final answer also it would be 5 as a denominator. In numerators, you should do the operation between numerator values 2a plus a. So 2a plus a, that will become 3a. Denominator is 5. This is what you should do. Let's try another example. Here we will have m over 7 plus 3m over 2. This is what I have. So in this case, not like our previous one. Here the denominators are not same now, so you cannot add them directly. What you should do is, you should make both of the denominators as a common number. Think about the smallest between these two. Smallest one was m. You should think about, is there is any possibility to convert m to 3m? M to 3m, yes. When you multiply the first fraction by number 3, you can obtain the denominator as 3m. That's what I did. You should find the equivalent fraction for the first fraction to obtain the common denominator. 7 3s are 21. Upon in the numerator we have 3 times m, it will become 3m. In right side fraction, that is already having 3m as denominator. So no need to change that. Now look at them. Both of the fractions which we need to add are having same denominator 3m. Over that, the numerator 21 plus 2, it would be 23. This is what you should do while you are handling with algebraic fractions. Major thing is equalizing the denominator to a common number. Thereafter you can do the operation for numerators. Sometimes it might be addition, subtraction, multiplication and division. According to the operation, you should do the calculation. Next example, I will have 3 over m minus 2 plus 4 over m plus 3. This is what I have in the addition of these two algebraic fractions. Since the denominators are not same, you should find the LCM for the denominators. You should find the LCM for the denominators. In the previous case, not like this, that easily you can obtain what would be the common denominator. In this case, we cannot obtain. So that's why I'll find the LCM for these two denominators first. So m minus 2, comma, m plus 3. You should operate with long division. First, I will simplify both of them by using m minus 2. As usual, how to find the LCM? In here, you should operate with this algebraic expression. That is the only difference. So here we have only one m minus 2. It is 1, comma, m plus 3. Thereafter, I have to divide this by m plus 3. We can obtain 1 and 1. So LCM for these two denominators, that is m minus 2 times m plus 3. Okay, denominator should be like this. But look at the first denominator, that is only having m minus 2. So the first fraction, it would be multiplied with m minus 3. We need the common denominator to do the addition between the fractions. That's why we found the LCM as m minus 2 times m plus 3. So first fraction, it would be multiplied with m plus 3 expression. Similarly, the second fraction, that is already having m plus 3 itself. So you should multiply that fraction by using another quantity, which is m minus 2 multiplied with m minus 2. Thereafter, both denominators are same now. M minus 2 times m plus 3, m plus 3 times m minus 2. Both are same. So I'll write that here. M minus 2 times m plus 3. Now you should do the operation between the numerators carefully. So here it is having 3 times m plus 3. That means like 3 m plus 3 plus 4 times m minus 2. Work not done yet. You should do some more simplification on the numerator. We will expand this expression 3 times m and 3 times positive 3, then 4 times m, 4 times minus 2. 3 times m, that is 3m plus 3 times 3, 9. Next bracket should be expanded by using number 4. 4 times m is 4m minus 8. In below we have the denominator m minus 2 times m plus 3. So finally, the answer would be, I'll erase this and write the answer. 3m plus 4m, that will become 7m. 9 minus 8, it will become 1. So 7m minus, so 3m plus 4m, 7m. 9 minus 8, it's 1. This would be the simplification of this algebraic fraction. As usual, like your previous ones, but only difference was the denominator. If those are having algebraic expressions, you should find the LCM first. Thereafter, make both fractions to the LCM to become the denominator as LCM. Then you can operate with the numerators to obtain the answer. If not, if you have only two fractions like this, you can assume that both are not having same denominators. No, you can multiply first fraction by next denominator. Next fraction should be multiplied with first denominator. That one also possible. I'll repeat again. First fraction should be multiplied with next denominator. Next fraction should be multiplied with first denominator. But in some cases, that's not possible at all. So that's why I use the proper method to explain this question to you. This is the reliable method. Other methods with having square quantities, that might give you some wrong answers while you multiply first fraction by next denominator, next fraction by first denominator. So don't be lazy to find the LCM. Try to find the LCM, then do the furthermore works. First of all, you should find the LCM for denominators. Since the denominators are not same, you should find the LCM. So x plus 2, comma, x minus 3. For these two expressions, we are going to find the LCM. First, I'll divide this by x plus 2. That will give you 1, comma, x minus 3. Thereafter, I can simplify this by the expression. Since these are expression, you cannot simplify x with x, x with x. That's not possible. These are expressions. No, you can simplify expression by 1, comma 1. So LCM for the denominators, it would be x plus 2 times multiplication of the dividends. X plus 2 times x minus 3. Look at the first fraction. This is already having x plus 2. So we need an additional x minus 3. I will multiply first fraction by x plus 3. Sorry, x minus 3 expression should be multiplied with x minus 3 expression. Similarly, second expression, that is already having x minus 3 with itself. So it should be multiplied with x plus 2 expression. Now both denominators are same. So I will write the common denominator, which is x plus 2 times x minus 3. The order doesn't matter because x plus 2 multiplied by x minus 3 also same. X minus 3 multiplied by x plus 2 also same. We will do the operation between numerators. 9 times x, it's 9x. 9 times negative 3, it will become negative 27. Negative 4 times x, it's negative 4x. Negative 4x, 4 times positive 2, it is negative 8. Yeah. then x plus 2 times x minus 3. Numerator we have 9x minus 4x, it will become 5x, negative 27 and negative 8. Both together will become negative 35. This would be the correct answer for the question.